because the body just knows the experiences that it wants to participate. So realization of the dream through the body is so simple. You say, well, I want this car, I want to write this book, I want to write this, I want to do that, I want to take 100 cases, I want to charge 45,000 rupees per client session, something. What do you feel? Well, we are not discussing whether that is possible or not. And I'm not even saying whether that guy achieved this or whether he's telling the truth or is it fake. We're not even discussing all of that. What we're discussing is understanding whether you felt whether that is possible for you. And that's the body's immediate response. And if you are in touch with that, you get to know whether that dream is capable of its realization through your body, because that body wants that as an experience. This is such a relief. This is so much clarity. Are you able to connect to that? And that's the realization of the dream through the body.